Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how to edit Instagram story highlights. Maybe you want to edit this Instagram story highlights but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can edit these Instagram highlights. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account. Once you open it, you'll be directed into this Instagram homepage. And then from here, you'll see your profile icon at the lower right corner of your screen. Simply tap on it and you'll be directed into your Instagram profile. And then from here, you will see your Instagram highlights. Simply tap on it. And then to edit this Instagram highlights, simply tap on this three dots icon. And then in here, you will see the option to edit highlight. Simply tap on it. Now once you are in here, you can edit your title and also edit your cover of your story highlights. After you edit those, simply tap on this done button. And there you go. If you wanted to know on how you can edit your story highlights, that is the easiest way and know how. If you know another way on how you can edit your story highlights, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.